HAIRSTYLES Organic Cosmetics, the place where we look after our hair and skin in the organic way. Trust you doing great. If you know you have 4C hair and you're looking for some hair ideas, then stay glued in. She's waking up in the morning. Hey, the hair is dry. Early morning. Yeah, you see she had the satin scarf, the satin bonnet, so that will protect your hair and prevent. Yeah, so she's got the melanin. Okay, that's the cream, and then she's putting some hair oil. Yep. Ooh, she's doing. Oh, wow, she just plaited it so beautifully. So she's just trying to like get the front part to be laying down. Girl, that's it. Hey, who said natural hair is hard to look after? Just master it. That's the way forward. Oh, she's putting her edge boost. Hey, girl, can't you see she's already transformed her hair in a few minutes? Sister Queen, beautiful. Rock your hair, your natural hair. She's got some fake beautiful hair. Yeah, she's slicking it down. Make your own homemade flaxseed gel. Slick it down. And she's got beautiful hair. I see. She just did it, patted it in the middle and yeah, fluffing the back. Oh, I like that. The hairband. That looks very queenly, isn't it? Beautiful. Who said natural hair is hard to look after? Who said? Who said? Yeah, I'm going to get some of this hairband. I like it. I like it. I like it. Beautiful people, isn't it? Our hair, our hair, our hair. Stop destroying the hair. Eco. She's got thick hair. You know how many races say, oh, we wish we have thick hair like African girls, and we destroy ours. Did you know how many, like a lot of my friends who are like Caucasians and Asians, they always say, oh, we wish that we have thick hair, but we destroy ours. Stop destroying your hair. Ooh, I love that style. It's beautiful. The edges. Ooh, and she's put it. Hey, it's beautiful. Wow. Sweet. Royal. Hey, yes, so you see, we are royals. Wow, that's interesting. She's done the back. Wow, look. She did it all by herself. How did she even know to pat it like that? This is somebody who's mastered her hair. Don't even play with these ladies, yeah. Wow. Did you see the way she patted the back? It's like she's got eyes in her back. How did she do that, people? And she's put some extension to make her 2 pom-poms. Hey, sister girl. Oh, she looks sweet. Hey, look at the back. People, this is beautiful. Wow. This is, you can take it to wedding, whatever. Who said natural hair is hard to look after? That's all. Hey, people, let's look after our hair. Master your hair. That's the key. Wow, do you see that style like a hat? Hey. She put her butterflies. And she put I've never seen that part. That was nice. She did like a hat in it. It's nice. I tried this one. I like it. I like it a lot. Our hair is beautiful, people. Our hair is beautiful. Interesting. You see, she patted in and then there like that. Hey, we learn every day. Oh, that was beautiful. Yeah. Wow. See the way she's combing it delicately. I see the style she's doing. You remember when I used to plait my hair when I was much younger? It used to be so painful. You know, when they grip it and you be screaming. But her hair is naturally curly, you know. You just need to know what things to put in it. Don't dry the hair with the soaps and the shampoos that are not made for your kind of hair. Don't dry your hair out. That's where the problem starts. Every newborn baby comes with curly hair. That should be maintained. It should not be dried out. Oh, it's beautiful. Wow. She's using, whoa, people, this is a style and a house. She used the pins. Did you see that? Whoa, I've never seen that before. That was beautiful. Hey, you talk about creative black girl magic. Hey, we got the style. We got the skills. We got the style. You see, they do the banding method, and yeah, so even if you don't know how to plait hair, you can use this method. Like, I don't know how to do cornrow, so you can do the banding method to help you, then to give you the look like a cornrow look. Yeah, her hair is short, but look at the style. It's beautiful, man. Wow, look at those edges. Hey, that's it, girl. You looking good. Hey, who said natural hair is hard to look after? Who said? I like your brows. I think she's done her brows beautiful. The jello, the eco. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Even if you don't know how to do cornrow, you can use the small bonding methods. Yeah, look. And it looks like a cornrow, isn't it? It looks like you done cornrow. It's beautiful. Hey, sister girl. She's got some full edges. Her edges are beautiful. Wow. Yeah, she's got some full edges. You can tell that her head edges have never been tampered with. What's that? Oh, that's her set. Her set arrived. She plaited it all. Oh, wow, she's doing crocheting. Wow. So when you do this way, you actually protect the hair. You do protect the hair. Wow, I've never seen this method. Oh. I see. She's rocking it. People, we've got to grow our hair. Grow your hair. We got to grow it. I'm trying to grow mine now. No more. I mean, I had to be experimenting to get it to be curly. So I used to do a lot of cutting, but now we're growing the hair. Wow. I like that style. Yeah. Wow. This style is beautiful. It's like goddess braids, isn't it? Goddess braids. And she's putting the extension on it. Here, I used to put a lot of extension, but sometimes it can catch on your hair and start breaking it as well. So you have to be careful. No, I mean, you can do it maybe once a month when you're going somewhere special. But yeah, the less of these attachments you do, the better. Because if you really want to grow your natural hair, then you do less of these attachments. But that style was beautiful. Wow, people, wow. She's flat ironing her hair. Me, never in a million years am I going to flat iron my hair because, man. I feel like if you do that, you damage the hair. Even though I know the hair will revert back, but I'm still just, she wants her hair straight. Okay. I mean, I don't miss the days when my hair was permed. I don't miss it at all. Like, because my hair is now so manageable. Like, I don't miss my perm days, not even once. So never am I going to straighten my hair, like, to say, oh, I'm going to, no, this one is done. People know your hair, love your hair, and your hair will love you back. And that is the truth. We've done enough damage from childhood. Yeah, we've done enough damage. So you want to now take charge of your own hair and say, why is my hair dry? Or why is my hair breaking? Why is my hair not growing? Begin to ask these questions. Your hair will begin to tell you what you're doing wrong with it. And slowly but surely we'll all grow our hair back to mid-length, to shoulder length, it will grow slowly. It's about you to master it, and it will grow. Trust me, it does.